Posture. Posture is the way the body parts are helped up or carried when you walk, stand, sit or work. Posture means keeping the natural balance of the body aligned. Good posture in standing, walking or sitting is important at every stage of life, especially while the bones are growing. To maintain a good posture, you have to eat proper and regular meals. Have sufficient sleep and take plenty of exercise in an airy place. Some organs of the body may be thrown off their natural positions because of bad posture. This can result in backaches and tiredness. Importance of a good posture or carriage. Good posture enhances a good appearance. It gives the body a comfortable and relaxed feeling. It makes clothes to fit you. It promotes good health. Good posture gives dignity, poise, self-confidence and respect. Thanks for watching.